Hello, I hope you're all doing great. I'm Arcel, and this is Trading Robot, where robots trade for you, not against you. We have an important update for Team 45 Robot, and it's currently 1:20 a.m. We're so passionate about this work that we couldn't wait for morning to share this. The second version of Team 45 Robot is unveiled, and will be activated for previous buyers. Just remove and re-add the robot to your page to get the new version. New buyers will also receive it. What's changed? The core remains, but we've added customizable features. The first addition is in the settings section. The most important new feature is there. The Team 45 Robot's second version is now available for previous buyers. Simply remove and re-add the robot to your page to access the update. New buyers will also get this version. What's new? The core remains unchanged, but we've added customizable features in the robot settings. The key addition is the ability to set analysis length. We've localized some text into Persian for our mainly Iranian user base abroad, while also providing an English version for English speakers. Metrics are translated into Persian where applicable. The first thing we added is all the settings. That is, when you go inside the robot, you go to the settings section. The first thing we added, which is also the most important, is a feature. What does setting the length of analysis mean? We've localized text for users. Most users are Iranians abroad. Most users speak Persian, so we've translated metrics into Persian. While RSI can't be translated, the length of candle analysis refers to the number of candles analyzed, with different lengths and color schemes. Users often ask, what do these numbers mean? These peaks and troughs show past highs and lows. Most features are customizable, including color settings for divergences. We use these divergences for example, RSI may not be written in Persian, which would be much clearer, but the length of the candlestick, how many candles it is examining, the different lengths that have different colors, the numbers. Sometimes people might ask, what are these numbers? These are showing the peaks or bottoms of the previous peaks and valleys. We tried to show these more clearly. The robot's performance has improved with increased speed and accuracy. Most features relate to customization, allowing you to choose all colors, including divergence colors. We calculate divergences for 5 lengths, 25, 35, 70, 140, and 280 candles. These numbers have specific reasons. You can adjust lengths for your strategy. For example, the 280 bearish divergence is darker red, and the bullish is blue. The past 25 logs are considered divergence. The past 35 logs are 70, 70, 140, and 280 logs are half-logged. There is a reason for these numbers. It didn't come together. But moving on, you can consider lengths for your strategy. See the 280 bearish divergence, displayed in darker red, while the 280 bullish divergence is in blue. You can change all these colors. Click on them. If you want to change it to orange or gray, you can. If you want to change the turquoise blue, you can. All these colors are customizable and personalize everything based on your strategy and what message you want to convey. Some prefer cleaner charts with softer colors. This option is available for professional traders. Change colors by clicking. For example, you say, I want to make this orange, or I want to make it gray. It's done. You want to change the turquoise blue. You can customize all colors based on your strategy and message. Some prefer cleaner charts with softer colors. This option is available for professional traders. This indicator calculates divergences over 5 lengths with 5 colors each for bullish and bearish labels, totaling 10 customizable colors. Save changes from the bottom or hit reset settings to revert to default. Consider a user who trades with a specific style and wants to set the length to 250, 29, or 33 candles instead of the defaults. As you know, this indicator calculates divergences over 5 different lengths and has 5 colors for bullish labels and 5 colors for bearish labels, making a total of 10 colors. That can be changed. If you make any changes and want to save them, you can do that from the bottom, or you can hit reset settings to revert everything back to the default settings. But here's a point to consider. Suppose a user trades a style and sets to 250 instead of 280, and 29 instead of 21, and 33 instead of 35, 5.5, 29 pass stumps, 20 pass stumps, or instead of 35, 33.5, he wants it. These are numbers that are more effective. Customize it. What can we do? Change the yellow length of 25 to 21, and the 35 to 33. It changed to 33 and 21. Try changing the 280 to 250 and the 140 to 100. Now, what can we do? We can adjust lengths in the settings. Change the yellow length from 25 to 21 and 35 to 33. It changed to 33 and 21. Now, change 280 to 250, 140 to 100, and 70 to 60. 250 candles in the past and 100 candles in the past, giving you a customizable trading assistant machine. One main strategy is when the market. We'll start with 280. Let's assume 250 and 140. Let's change 170. Let's make a sample of 60. Okay. Set to 250 candles, and this one to 100 candles. All is done dynamically, giving you a customizable trading assistant machine. One main strategy is when the market hits a trend line with several divergences. The MACD value is obscured by the 250 length label. You can toggle these to see them and build your strategy. Uncheck the 250 length divergence to deactivate it. It's hitting a trend line with several divergences of different lengths. For example, there are two divergence lines, one of length 250 and another of 21. The MACD value is obscured by the 250 label. You can toggle these to see them and build a strategy. One can deactivate the 250 length divergence, and it disappears, leaving only the 21 length. I remove the 21 length too, and no other lengths are left. Now, I'll leave these on to see the different lengths showing divergences. Several lines have been added. You can see this by enabling and disabling them, and even create your own personal strategy. For example, I would take the length 5, which is 250, and tick it if it is active. After loading, it disappears. In the last candle, there were 6 candles with divergences. You can remove these one by one to see the divergences and take action. If you prefer trading with one divergence in the last 20 candles, set it to 20 candles for one divergence. You now have a trading assistant machine. In the last candle, we had 6 candles and divergences as well. You can remove these one by one to see what the divergences were and then take action. For example, I'll remove the length of the last candle so I can read the label for the 6th candle. Sorry, I forgot to check it. Let's remove the length of the last candle, and it won't load until it cycles through. Then we'll remove the length of the 6th candle and see if any other labels remain for us. And yes, there's a label for 33 right below, and even its lines disappear so you won't get confused. If your style is to trade with just one divergence in the last 20 candles, you can set it to 20 candles and only have one divergence. You now have a trading assistant machine. So, in summary, both the visual aspect and functionality have improved, as well as the overall performance. But there's another point that was really taken into account. This trading assistant is made up of 2 parts. One part is the divergences, the most important section, and the other is automatic trend line drawing for those with stronger math skills or who remember from university. These lines are called regression lines. It's a standard for forecasting, used to make predictions in trading, referred to as a trend line. We've set up special settings so you can specify how many samples or candles to consider for the trend line. By default, this number is set, but you can adjust it to be smaller or larger. For example, set it to consider 200 candles. It will load and change the trend line for you. I can also remove this label. Another note on regression lines: the white line is the regression, while the 2 orange lines show deviation. By default, deviation is set to 2, but 1.5 and 3 are also good numbers for the market. We put it specifically, meaning now you can say how many samples you have placed and how many candles you have placed for the smooth line. It is on the surface as a prefix. You can make this number smaller or larger in the smooth line section. For example, say, draw 200 candles for the smooth line. It will load a bit and change the smooth line for you. As you can see, I also removed this label. In drawing regression lines, the white line shows the regression, and the orange lines indicate deviation. The default deviation is 2, but 1.5 or 3 are useful. A deviation of 1.5 tightens range, improving samples in a ranging market. Adjusting can improve sampling when markets range. 200 candles aren't interesting. Set to 100 candles. Tweak settings for a more accurate trend line. 100 candles give a decent trend line. For a broader range with stronger points, choose 3 deviations. The robot works by default. No need to adjust at session end. It works behind the scenes. Let's return to default settings and check trend line color. The middle line is white. We can also help it out. Using 100 candles with a deviation of 1.5 gives me a good trend line. If I want to capture more with stronger points, I can choose 3 for the deviations. No need to fear them. The robot works by default, and these features enhance it. No need to adjust this after trading. It works behind the scenes. Now, back to default settings to check trend line colors. Note, with a white background, the middle line is hard to see. You can choose several colors. I can set the upper line light green, middle yellow, and lower red. At the end of your trading session, don't touch this section. It's working behind the scenes. Now, reset settings and check the trend line colors. Note that with a white background, the white middle line can be hard to see. You can choose from several colors. Set the upper line to light green, the middle to yellow, and the lower to red. Changes apply. Select colors to match your background, or use one color for simplicity. Some charts might have different settings. If there was a problem, it wasn't visible. Now you can choose from these colors. For the upper trend line, let's say I want it to be light green. For the middle trend line, let's say it should be yellow. And for the lower trend line, I want it to be red. And these will be applied to you. You can choose from these few colors, so that any background you have will be considered for you. Or if you want to have simpler charts, you can set them all to the same color, and this will work well for you. As before, the settings work on all charts. Some charts, for example. Let's say you are working on Zalst. Sometimes the robot might not work with a specific broker. Some brokers block robots for unclear reasons. It's working on ONDA. It may not work on forex.com, only on TradingView charts. Gold may be $1,900 here, 20 million there, but essentially the same. Thanks for watching. Follow previous strategies. For questions, click Telegram support to stay in touch. Best regards, profitable trading. But it doesn't matter. Gold is gold, right? For example, gold might be priced at $1,900 in one place and 20 million in another. But the price is essentially the same everywhere. We just need to go to a chart that allows us to operate. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Follow the strategies from the previous videos. If you have any questions, you can click on the support section in Telegram, and we can stay in touch. Best regards and profitable trading.